What's up guys, it's Swag Fam here, back with another video. The truck has, unfortunately, the engine has developed a problem. There's a loud tapping noise or a knocking noise. Don't know what it is, but we're gonna do some very
unconventional ways
to hopefully fix it or blow the motor up. Either way, I stopped caring. I'm gonna try cranking it to get a little baseline, and let's see if it even starts. It's been sitting for a few weeks. It's dead. Some idiot forgot to remove the battery as it was sitting. I don't know who it was. I didn't even think about that. I got power. Heard that? You heard the tapping noise, didn't you?
Yeah.
We got some starter fluid. Connor's gonna pump it in.
Yeah, it would not run anytime I wasn't pressing this button.
Yeah, and it sounded really bad.
Yeah, extremely bad.
We're gonna head to the store and find some additives to put in the oil. I'm in the car, about to go find some additives and oil to fix this lifter tick. All right, let's go. All right guys, we're at Walmart. We're gonna look for all the cheapest additives we can get.
Aw, you look like a fairy.
We're looking for like an oil additive. Like look.
All of
Yeah,
it.
put all of it in.
Engine supplement.
Okay, we'll get that.
So it's gonna add a supercharger to your truck.
Chat,
Dude.
is this true?
Chat GPT, let us know. We've also got these nuts.
Oh yeah?
Ew.
Oh. Okay, I think we're good. I think we got everything. Ladies and gentlemen, the 4 contestants going against each other today is the Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. We got the Restore Engine Restore and Lubricant 6-cylinder formula. Next up, we got Rislone Hyperlube Engine Supplement, supercharges oil performance. And lastly, we got the good old Seafoam. Everyone knows about this guy. Will any of these additives fix the motor or blow it up? There's only one way to find out, and that's by pouring them in. Doesn't that sound like such a good video idea? Well, it was going to be, but right when we came back from the store, we started the truck one more time for fun, and you wouldn't believe what happened. We got it running! Where's the tap? First drive in 2 months, we didn't even do anything. It's probably about to blow up. Oh my gosh. After 20 hours of hard labor, I think me and Connor fixed this truck. How you doing? Good.
Boosted launch.
New objective to this video, we're gonna see if all those additives increase that oil pressure. Right now it's sitting at 19 psi. It's supposed to be at 60 from what I've heard. Okay, let's start with Lucas. So first we're gonna keep the old oil in there and put this Lucas oil stabilizer. If that doesn't do anything, we'll change the oil completely. Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer in the motor. Ah, kind of hot. It didn't change. Nope, it's still at 19.
I'm about to change the oil, and I'm about to put thicker oil in it with all the additives to see if oil pressure goes up.
Black oil. Here, I'll show. Can you see it? Shit. He's a dino. Holy. That's a 125 motor?
What the fuck?
Okay.
Ooh.
Like you put olive oil or something.
There's a lot of chunky little bits in this. There's a lot of chunky bits at the tip of this. Oh.
Well, that's where your tick went. It burnt it because you melted away.
It's like slime. Straight black. Breathe. And no more monetization. Hope it's a new day. Drained the oil yesterday, and I think there is a little bit of metal shavings in the oil here. So I'm gonna take off the oil pan for fun. I don't want to film it though, because I just want to get it done quick. I watched a YouTube video and the guy did it in like 30 minutes. So let's see how long it takes me. I just took the oil pan off. Surprisingly, it actually only took me 30 minutes. I was missing these two bolts right here. They would be like hidden. You got to go from like the holes right here. If you look inside the oil pan, let's see. There's sludge right here. I'm gonna touch it. This is probably gonna give me cancer. Oh! All right. I don't really feel any oil. I mean, metal. Yeah, I'm so glad I'm cleaning this out. So overall, it was actually pretty easy. So I had to take out these braces, I guess, and then the cross member. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. Here they are. And then these are just 2 bolts on each one. And then those are the other bolts for the drain pan. And I had to take out the starter. I just hung the starter somewhere right there. Let's look at my motor. There's my motor. I don't see any missing chunks, so I think it's good. I think I'm gonna try to take this out and clean it with brake cleaner. Got the oil pan getting cleaned up. I cleaned it up as much as I could. Then I got that oil pickup tube. I cleaned it out, and that's part of the oil pan. Yeah, letting it dry out now. This is what was in my oil pickup tube screen. This is a big chunk of RTV, or the gasket maker. Maybe that was causing my lack of oil pressure. Got the new oil pan gasket. Absolutely OEM. Don't look at the brand. Start back with the end here. Perfect fit. That's what happens when you buy OEM. Of course, I also got some gasket maker, Ultra Black. Got to put it on 4 corners, I think, of the oil pan. That's what every YouTube video said. Got the oil pan just about back on. The job honestly wasn't that hard. It was like maybe a 6 out of 10. There was good YouTube videos out there, and I'll link one below if you need it. Hardest part was probably getting the old gasket stuff off. All right, now that I got everything back together, time to put fresh oil inside. Got some 5W40. I went up a weight because that might help the motor not die. All right, that's good. That's about 3 quarts. And I'm gonna put some of the additives in there. First off, Lucas. Next up, Risolone Hyperlube Engine Supplement. Supercharges engine performance. Get a little glob of that in there. Oh yeah. Next up, Engine Restorer, made for 6-cylinder engines, such as this one. So they put this in there. Oh, this shit's blue. The fuck? Okay. All right, blue goo. Engine additives are in. Put back in the motor oil. And I think it's 5 quarts, so. All right, so now that we're done filling up the oil, since I did pretty much a full flush, I want to let the oil cycle through a little bit, priming the oil. So I'm going to remove the relay for the fuel pump so it won't start up. Go ahead and remove this. Now I'm going to start the motor and just let it crank. That's probably enough, right? I don't know. Let me give it another one just in case. Engine is primed with oil. Crazy how that one thing will stop this thing from working. One last thing, I bet you realize I didn't use the seafoam because you can put this in the oil or in the gas. In this case, I want to put it in my gas to clean the injectors and such. I've never used seafoam before. I don't really know what it is. Does it come from the sea? Oh, I think Zeus just said don't do it. Sorry, Zeus. And this is gonna clean injectors, clean carb jets. I don't have that. Stabilize the fuel, control motion and fuel, quiet noisy lifters. That's something I might have. Clean deposits, add lubricancy to fuel, lube upper cylinders. All right. Now let's see if it starts with one try. Started right up. You hear that? Nice and quiet. That sound you hear is my belt. I have a wobbly harmonic balancer pulley, so the belt is slapping against it. So right now I'm inside the cab. I'm letting the truck warm up, and it's sitting at 40, but that's usually what happens. And when it hits about 200, it'll drop down to 20. The fuel pressure, I mean. So let's see if my cleaning and my thicker oil did anything to help with the fuel pressure. Good news, guys. Engine is up to temp, and we are sitting at 40. That means I gained 20 PSI of oil pressure. And if that gauge is wrong, because I haven't checked, it could technically be at 60, but who knows. So in this model, there is no O-ring like the V8s, but I took off, like you saw, the oil pump tube, right? Cleaned it out with the thicker oil too. Gained 20 pounds of oil. So this video is a success. Look at that. It is over 40. What happens if I rev it? Oh my God, it goes to 60. I haven't seen it that high ever. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God, what a success. Thank you for watching this stupid video. If you liked it, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 by the end of this year, so that would really help. The truck is working now. I haven't drove it in 2 months, so I'm gonna have some fun with this baby.
In the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a